Ito. Nagawa kami ng... Ginagawa ko ng... ang study room ni Eli. Gagawin nating classroom. Naging classroom na. Eli, what's this? Who made this? Mommy. And then who drew that? Ikaw? Oh. Mommy, make this. This one. And then who drew this, all of this? You? Oh, siya daw nag-draw. And then who helped you to color your drawing? Mama? Oh.
Where is this, Mom?
Yeah, where? Turo mo. Who color that?
Mama.
Kagaling niya na mag-drawing at 4 years old. Ako hindi nga ako marunong eh. Siya lang to, walang mga ginagay. Drawing niya. Yan, tinulungan ko lang mag-color. Ito, bahay daw ng cat ito. Princess, come here. I ask you something, Princess. Come here.
What?
What's this?
It's me.
You? And then what's that? Drawing what?
Meow Meow House.
Meow Meow House? And how about this one? Who's this?
Ako.
Princess. How about this one? I ask you. What's that?
Me.
Where?
Ito.
That one?
Yes.
Oh, is that you?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Yung mga drawing niya ito. Tingnan mo, nilagyan niya ang I love you, ma'am. Ang ganda ng mga drawing niya. Bahay.
This is you, Mom.
This is me?
Yeah.
Oh, cute. Sa kanya din to. How about this one? This one?
It's me.
It's you?
Yeah.
Ah.
This is the flower. This is you present flower. Very nice. I give you star of heart. Kids, I give you heart more in check and star like that.
Ito, nag-draw siya sa kanya to. Kay Ate Faith niya yan. Color sila. Ito. Ito sa school niya. Galing sa school niya. Check siya dito. And then, before yan, na-send ko na-upload ko na ito before.
Beautiful ako drawing, Mom.
Yeah, beautiful yung drawing. Kaya hindi ko na kinuruan. Kaya naubos na yung kanyang crayons. Open it. Show mo. Show it. Open it.
Where's my Kurami?
This one, Princess. This one.
Where's Kurami, Mom?
There. Yung mga drawing. Hindi ko na lang kinulayan kasi naubos ang kanyang color. Ginawa ko ng classroom. Sabi niya kasi, sabi niya, Mami, our house, pangit. Naku, why? Kasi daw, not colorful. Sabi niya, so ginawa ko na ganito para maging colorful. Ang bata talaga, gusto pala talaga may mga color-color.
Hi guys, my Kurami.
Yeah, naboboard kasi yan sila kapag mga black and white lang. Kailangan may makikita siya. Yes. Say like this, like that. Oh, drawing siya Kurami. Wow. Parang ito mag-drawing. Galing mag-drawing.